Guys, I've finally monetized my Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook have gave me a setup for me to monetize. This setup came last week, so I was scared to do it on my own. So eventually I just watched few tutorial videos on YouTube, and I was able to set this page. Although I've not set my payout, I've already set the monetization. Now from now henceforth, my money will be counting. You understand? So why am I doing this video? For those of you that are into content creating, for those of you that want to monetize your page, your Facebook page, can you see this picture beside it? The easiest way for you to get engagement, it's only one video that brought me that gave me the engagement I need, gave me the watch minute I need, and gave me much followers. Imagine one video producing 5,000, I think 5,000 followers. My page was already 8,000 before I went for, because I'm a student, I'm schooling, so I went for I was just busy, I was not online stable, so I just take it serious. Between 1 month of posting videos, so one of my video went viral, and boom, I just monetized my page. So if you are to do this thing, post video that are high quality. Even if not that high quality, at least post a video that you know that it will tally, like it will match your niche. You get? So for me now, I'm good in tutorial videos. My YouTube channel they have been posting on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is over 50,000 subscribers. I've been working on it since. So it's just of recent I have to take Facebook serious, and I want to use this medium to tell you my content, like the content I'm going to be posting. You get? Now from now henceforth, I'll be posting my normal video on Reels, but now my longer content will mostly be on tutorial video. How to grow your Facebook, how to grow your what have you, like just name it. You get? It's going to be like that. I'm going to be teaching you how to use CapCut to edit your video, how to go viral on Facebook. I'm going to be teaching you all this because my Facebook was built under those niche. You get? So I'm going to be posting those things frequently. So for those of you that followed me before, I want to thank you. Use this medium to thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your share. Thank you for your views, because it's easy for you to view somebody post using your data. So I want to thank you all, and I'm going to be promising you that I'm going to be dropping good content. I mean mad content that is very profitable. It's not content that you watch and you just like trash it out. No, I'm going to be teaching you. I'm going to be dropping tutorial videos on how to grow your Facebook. For those of you that want to go into content creation, it's not easy, but with time, consistency is one of the key. So I pray you also monetize your Facebook page. So I'm going to be going off for now. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping 2 tutorial video. So if you've watched this video reach this extent, please drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section, okay? And I'm going to be going live on my Facebook. I want to take it very serious, very intentional, because I've been posting on my YouTube channel, like as I said earlier. I'm going to be dropping my YouTube channel link, because my YouTube channel mainly is for tutorial video. I've been working on that channel for good 3 years, and I've been monetized a long time. So don't think I'm just starting content for now. I'll be posting on my Facebook, on my YouTube. So I decided to post on my Facebook. You get? So thanks. I'm going to be dropping the link for you to go to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Once again, I love you all.